Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best website. You can mining website, the mining website. You can earn just start mining and you can claim your BTC is instantly and free and without investment. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos until end. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. The website name is BitShark.io. This website is available worldwide and this is the top website in all the world, and this is the website they pay you 100%, and this is the betting website and gambling website, and you can earn from that too. Okay, if you new in here, just click sign up to make an account. This website link in description. Just put your email, password, confirm password, and your soft capture. You can easily make an account, and you can put your email and password and just click the capture and solve the capture and click sign in. Okay, guys, now you can see I'm logging in the page, and this is the first one is the Faucet. If you claim the Faucet, okay, every 1 hour you claim the Faucet, and if you target this much Satoshi with the bidding amounts, and if you reach in here, you can also make another step for bronze, silver, and more on them. Then the last one is diamond, and you can earn much more. Okay, every time you claim, and randomly you can range with 5 BTC to 101 BTC for each round you can earn. Okay, this is randomly, and you can earn randomly. Okay, and now I show you how you can refer yourself to earn more from this website. Okay, the first one is the referral link. Copy your referral link. This is your referral link. This is the 50% of mining and multiple and 5-turn mining users. Okay, and the payment if other people pay, and you can also make a commission from there too. Okay, and now I come to another Gmail account. This is my another Gmail account. I just paste the link in here. Okay, the referral link, and you can now register yourself in here to starting mining, making another account. To I show you how you can earn from referral. Okay, the referral commission lifetime 50% commission they pay you. Okay, now I put my another Gmail account and put my password. I make another account for here. Okay, now you can sign up in here. I put my Gmail account and my password, and I create an account, and you can see I refer myself. This website allow me to do that. You must verify the email. Okay, right now I go to my Gmail account to verify BitShark, and then I come back. Okay, now you can see the activation is just cam, and just I click activate. To activate, your email has been successfully activated. Then now I put my email and password, and just click here, just click login, and this website login me to my page. Okay, this is the trick you can use to you can make much more account for yourself, and you can start earning for yourself. Okay, and right now in here you can come to your main account, go to referral, and reload the page. Okay, right now I'm in referral. To reload the page to show you the one person to come here, join the page. Okay, join the website. Okay, where this one shows me. Okay, states. Okay, right now is nothing for the referral. Just I click allow. I just claim some things. Okay, in the first time you have 5 turn to claim. Just click. Okay, this one broke. And just click it. Okay, this is the BTC, and I earn 8 Satoshi, and now I click again. Okay, and this time I earn 40 Satoshi. This is very high. And this time I earn 8 Satoshi again. And 60 Satoshi. This is the last time. Okay, in the last time I earn 10 Satoshi. Okay, this is very good. After 1 hour I can claim again. Okay, in here just reload the page to show you the referral, if this web page accept the referral. Okay, now you can see this website didn't accept manually referral, your self referral. And okay, now you can see this one is accept. Okay, in here didn't show. Okay, accumulated down. This one is accept one referral, and this is the Gmail account. Join this page. Okay, and if the referral use mining BTC or multiple or cloud mining, you can earn the referral commission. Okay, right now I starting game like multiple or crashes. I didn't start the crash because it needs 100 beats, and I start multiple. Just click roll, and you can see you lost or you win. I don't know what. So okay, the game ID is invalid. Please refresh the page. Okay, I refresh the page. Okay, and then roll again. I earned 10 BTC right now. I lost 10 BTC. Just I click again. Okay, if you install this application, you can use and you can make much more from this application, and you can earn much more. Just you can click auto beat, and you can just click start beating, and you can earn unlost your crypto. Okay, I didn't need this web's balance okay right now, because I want to show you the commission this website pays you. Okay, I stop it, come here, just reload. This website pay me some commission. Okay, why this website didn't pay me commission? Okay, maybe it's after a few days, few hours, they pay me this much commission for bidding. Okay, I go to the manual page. Okay, and right now I have a 5 bidding turn 2 again after 1 hour. And this website is a very easy way to make much more, and I show you the withdrawal. I don't know why this website pay me the commission. They told maybe later hours they pay me or not. I share with you another video with the payment commission. Okay, and this website is the minimum withdrawal is this much Satoshi, and if you reach it you can withdraw. your amount to your wallet with 6 to 24 hours or 50 minutes. The fees is cut too much, and you can every salary they didn't receive any fees. Okay, and this is very easy. You can play games and you can earn much more from the playing games. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos too. Bye bye for now.